to relieve some of the overcrowded, and we still are overcrowded. And we also lost our library,
our band room,
everything. We lost a lot of several rooms to house homeroom. So our library is actually 3 resource special ed classrooms. So Ms. Puwako's in there, Mr. Nowicki and Ms. Lopez, but they've made it work.
And that's hard.
It is hard. The problem, a lot of the thing with our families is that a lot of them double up. So we have 2 to 3 families living together in one apartment. I mean, we're talking about dividing the living room with a curtain for one family to live, 1 bedroom here, another family in another bedroom. So we end up having anywhere from, it could be from 6 to 10 students with the same address because of the family living situation. So that's why we're so overcrowded. And if you know the community, we have 3 blocks to the south, 2 schools, 3 blocks to the north, 2 schools. We're right here, and we're still overcrowded. But we make it work, and we're happy.
And we're one of the schools to watch, which is a national delegation. We're a level 1 school in CPS. We're very academic focused. You'll see on all the walls. College is very, very much so promoted for our students.
What level 1
is? CPS ranks their schools based on academics.
Based on NWA student performance, which could be at or above grade level, academic gains from 1 year to the next year, attendance, the My School My Voice survey, attendance, just different criteria. So there's a range that you fall under. The highest you can get is a 1+. We are at a 3.8. A 1+ is 4.0.
Just missed it.
0.2. We missed it, but it's okay.
Yeah.
We're good. So one thing, I've been here for 4 years. This is actually my 4th year.
Yeah.
And I have to say, I've always said that I've been blessed to have inherited the staff that I did, because I have a great staff, and then we brought in 12 to 14 new teachers since I've been here. My teachers love their kids. We all love our kids, so we always say this is our home. Right. This is a family, and my kids, they're great. I love them.
We have the best.
Yeah. And just to give perspective, to be one level of school in the city, it's just not an easy thing. It's just,
it's a lot of work.
Yeah, that's something really meaningful. Yeah.
Well, and that's why we have this social-emotional retreat, because if we don't satisfy our students' social-emotional needs, we can't get any academic gains. You can't have any learning if they're not emotionally okay.
And our student attendance is at almost 97%.
Nice.
Kids come to school. We don't even have to tell parents anything. They'll come to school.
We have to tell them to go home when
they're sick. Yesterday we had a little girl bleeding from her nose, and she was all white, and she had blood all over. She was, no, it's okay, it's just a nosebleed. So, but they really love to come to school, which it gives me a lot of satisfaction, because it means that they value the school, they value my staff.
That's right.
And they feel safe.
And they feel safe.
That's right.
They want to be here, and that's important to me. So yeah, so